Hi, I'm Rip, and we have another review for you. We picked up it's an Emeril Lagasse AirFryer. It's a 7-quart size. I'm just going to unbox it kind of quick. See how it comes and what's in the box. Just, of course, the paperwork and stuff. Going to be honest, this is actually our second same air fryer. This is actually a replacement. Want to give kudos to Big Lots for replacing this unit for us. The problem we were having was when the basket snaps in place, there's a detent there that holds the basket in place. The problem we were having is that after this thing was heated up, and if you wanted to check what you were cooking, when you popped it out and you try to pop it back in, we actually broke the front of the handle here trying to push so hard on the handle to get it to snap back in. So hopefully this replacement will be better than what the first one was, and hopefully it was a quirk in the actual unit and not a design flaw of this particular fryer. What I'll do is in a couple weeks after we've been using this, I'll put some comments in the bottom just as a follow-up as to where we think this was a better unit, or if the design was not a problem with the design. But what we did love about it is that it has a nice sized basket. We do 4-pound chickens we put in here to cook, which come out phenomenal. It's very easy to clean. The grill is like an anti-stick surface along with the bottom. It's a quick kind of access to cleaning the thing up there. We did opt in, if you notice on the front of the box, there's an additional grill that they offer, well, for free, cover the shipping, but it's $16. We opted in for it because it's a great unit for cooking like hamburgers and stuff on there, to where it's more of a grill, right, instead of having it be on the bottom of that part there. But it's a pretty heavy duty. It's also a like a non-stick type of surface that's on this thing, and it seems to work very well. Let me plug this in and we'll fire it up. All right, we're able to get some power to this unit. There's about a 3-foot cord that's on here. Well, it's a 3-foot cord, not about. And one of the other things I want to point out is on the bottom, there's four nice rubber, well, there's rubber on the bottom of the feet, but they stand up tall. So this does sit really securely on the countertop, which is nice. So with the power up mode, there's actually there's seven presets on these, from French fries to
roast, shrimp, bake,
cake,
chicken, steak, fish,
and then back to the beginning. Thanks for the help with the camera woman. Tell me where they are there. I'll let it run for a little bit. You can at least hear. Kind of loud, not real loud. First couple of times it, of course, heats up. First time it heats up, you use it. It's pretty smelly. You can smell whatever the oils are that are on the elements that are burning off. And like I said, we'll follow up. I'll put a follow-up down there in a couple weeks if we're having this issue with this basket snapping back in after it's been heated up. Thanks for stopping by. Hope this helps.